everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video is just going to be a quick part 2 to my Invisalign video. This is going to be the last video that I do. I just wanted to quickly share with you how my treatment went, because I am done with Invisalign. The last thing I have to do is pick up my removable retainers, but the treatment is done. My teeth, I'm happy with my teeth, and yeah, so let's just get into this quick little update. So as you can see, my gap is closed. My teeth are looking really straight and there are no spaces. I also got my teeth contoured. So the ridges that were at the bottom and here at the top, they have been sanded down. It took like 2 minutes. Not painful at all. Okay, so today is Sunday. On Tuesday, I get my teeth contoured. So if you don't know what that means, it's basically fixing any jagged edges and just like filing or sanding, whatever you want to call it, so that your teeth are straighter. So let me show you my teeth and then I will give you another full update on my Invisalign journey. Well, this is probably just an insert, but my teeth. As you can see, I think it's this side is a bigger tooth, and I didn't even know that until I finished Invisalign, because the way my teeth were before, I couldn't tell that they were different sizes because one was slightly turned and I had a gap. But you can see also the jagged edges, because my teeth never naturally grind together, so they weren't sanded down by themselves over time. So I'm gonna get that contoured, straightened out, filed down, so it'll just be like straight, like chiclets. So here's the before. And then we'll go to the after. This is how my teeth look. I just got my wires put in today. At the bottom, at the top, I don't know if you can see that. And it's taking a little bit, like I could definitely feel them there, but I don't have to wear my Invisalign anymore at all. They just gave me one. They just gave me a pair that I have to wear at night until I get my retainers, which I also only have to wear at night. So I got the wires, which are permanent. Well, they last like 5+ years depending on how well you take care of them. And then I got my removable retainers, which I only wear at night. So it's honestly so nice to not have to wear Invisalign during the day. Oh, it's such a relief. But that's pretty much it. Overall, I'm definitely happy with how my teeth look. I love how they look from all angles. And I'm just excited to get them whitened, get my tooth gem, but we are done. It has been a year and a couple of months. I had to put it on pause earlier this year because of first trimester nausea, but then I obviously jumped right back in. Anyways, I did 26 aligners for the top and 21 for the bottom. My buttons were removed at my 19th set of aligners, and then I just had like the regular aligners without the button imprints, and that is pretty much it. So I'm going to show you how my teeth looked in the very beginning compared to now. Yeah, so overall, I did enjoy my Invisalign experience in terms of once you get into the groove of it, it's really easy. Once you get into the groove of it, it's easy, you know? You wear your aligners for 7 days, 10 days, whatever they tell you. You do your scans on time. You make sure that you're wearing them at least 22 hours a day. And then your teeth will just move into the mold that, you know, each tray gives you. So that's pretty much it. I have my cost breakdown and all that stuff in my other Invisalign video. And yeah, if you're thinking about doing Invisalign, I would definitely recommend it over braces, just because it's easy. I know that some people don't want to have to worry about like putting them back in, but you honestly get into the groove of it, and then by the end you're just ready to be done. So yeah, I'm happy I did it. I'm happy with the results. So that is it for this video, and I'll see you in my next one.